So today we're making fasikh with Yasmeen.
Yes. So excited!
So tell us where you're from in Sudan.
Wild.
Wow. So tell us more about where that is.
Shamal Kurdufan, which is...
Kurdufan!
Yes! This is sea brie, or sea breeze, I'm not so sure. I bought it, I cleaned it, I did not descale it or anything. And then I dried it for like half a day, 8 hours, something like that. And then when I made sure that it's like 90% dry, you know, put it in this bath bed. So I just first put a layer of kitchen paper, a layer of salt, and then I covered it, rolled it with plastic roll, and then I put it here for a month. And voila!
1 month?
Inside. With the
Shatta! Chilies.
Yeah.
What kind did you use? Just regular or jalapeno?
I don't think this is jalapeno. Pepperoni is bell pepper, right?
Yes.
You know. I think jalapeno. Good.
Make them soft.
Be soft. And the bones and everything.
You don't eat a fish head? You're
Not
not
really.
Sudanese, I'm sorry.
I'm going to stick to the
That's not Sudanese. Yeah, so in Sudan they usually have this big grinder and they put the whole thing
a
through.
metal grinder.
Yeah.
So I'm...
have again our prepped onions, garlic, shallots, tomatoes. We have our lemons there. The fasikh is ground up.
The hot oil.
Yeah, the oil is heated up. We have our chilies and dakwa. Peanut butter.
Al natura.
Yes, bio. I mean organic. Okay.
Bio. What's bio?
Bio. Yeah, because garlic. Gonna put the onions first. Let it sizzle. Yeah, we can turn up the heat. It's fine. It needs to get really rich.
Okay.
Say shaya. I'm just kidding.
I know. I miss Shia.
Right, we're gonna add the chilies. Yes.
With the seeds.
Yes. We're gonna add cumin.
How much?
A lot. We're Sudanese, remember?
Yes.
This is good, yeah.
Good.
And we can add some more later if we think. And coriander, like half of that.
Half of that.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
look at that. So you see the onions are like translucent.
Yeah.
We're just gonna let them cook down some more. Yes.
Salt.
I would put it with the fish and the tomato after the tomatoes, you know.
Pepper in the blender.
See how it's burning at the bottom? We're gonna add the tomatoes now to soak up all that goodness. So we're adding some water because the water from the liquid from the tomatoes is drying out. So now we're just gonna let the tomatoes cook down nicely, stew-like consistency. And we're gonna add some lemon juice.
Okay.
Lime juice, actually. So we chopped up some dill and garlic, which we'll add later. Some lime juice. And we might add more later to the fish, depending.
Yeah.
How
There's
it's
plenty of
tasted.
lime.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta, listen.
I am prepared.
She's so prepared. She's so Sudanese. She had everything already
You
in
can
the
take
fridge.
me from Sudan, but you can't take Sudan from me. You can take me out of it, but you can't take...
Exactly, yes. First, and then we're gonna see, like 1 spoon. I'm gonna add 1 spoon. And now, mix it up and then see.
That's a tablespoon, right?
Yes. I think we could add 2 from what I can see. But for now, oh, so good. Just added fresh dill and some garlic and some tomato paste. Give it that nice color. And the last step is just gonna be, some peanut butter, a little bit of, and then we're gonna taste and then see what else is missing or needed. This is legit, wallahi, like it's so good. Spot on. And fresh fasikh. How do you feel?
My mouth is in heaven. It's in heaven right now. Fazia. It's really, really good.
Guys, I mean, you need to record your process from scratch and send it to me.
I can do it
Send
now.
it to us. So we can post it on some buksa. We need to know.
Now we're making Fasikh in Sabuksa.
Yes.
No.
Coming to a store near you.
You can easily make that in the States. Easily.
Sahih?
Yeah.
We're gonna try it in Brooklyn in a few weeks. Yes.
I mean, it really doesn't take anything.
Oh my god.
You just have to buy really fresh fish. Salt that baby. Forget about it for a month.
Yeah.
Or as long as you want. Or you could. And then just cook it.
This is spot on. MashaAllah.
المشكلة you can't stop, عرفتي?
No.
You can't stop.